Hi, Steve Blythe from J.Racenstein. I'm here with Rob from StonePro, and we're here to talk about a really easy way to make a little more money out of your existing customers in refinishing their countertops. So what are we going to do here today, Rob?
Well, what we're going to do is take this piece of granite, and we're going to very simply, with a few different chemicals, bring it back to the same polish that it was the day that they put it in the showroom.
So those people with dull countertops, and they say, gee, can you do something for this? This is the process to bring it back, and it's relatively simple and easy to learn. And can they screw this up?
No, absolutely not. There's nothing here that will ruin a surrounding substrate.
So you're just going to make it better, whatever you do.
Absolutely. The granite dulls from the way we take care of it. Hard water deposits, detergents from the wrong cleaners. When the deposits bond and cure back to the granite, not only does it deflect the light and make it less shiny and reflective, it also traps the detergent, so it makes it harder to clean.
So this should make it easier for people to want a clean surface and stay clean, because you have the maintenance products to go with it.
Absolutely, and it's a way to get back into that customer's home or business a minimum of once a year to do this process.
And make them happy, earn a little money.
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the stone scrub, which is an organic abrasive that removes water deposits safely off of all types of natural stones and other substrates like glass and metals. So we'll put a little bit of the product on. Again, I'm using a hog's hair pad just for agitation. And what this is doing, this is removing all the water deposits, all the minerals, the salts, the calcium, the detergents that are deflecting the light. The difference between a good polish and a poor polish is how much light reflects back up instead of being deflected away. So now that we have gotten the stone scrub dwelling just a few seconds to allow it to break up the calcium, we're going to take our Crystal Clean, which is our neutral pH cleaner, and we're just putting this on now to remove the residue from the stone scrub. And just by removing the residue in the water deposits and reflecting more light, our color is better and our reflectivity is better. So the next step then is to deepen the color and add even more reflective. We're going to deepen the color. This is a Granite Potea. It's a granite polishing powder. Again, a little bit of abrasive to remove any residue that might be left behind. You use very little. It comes in a 1 pound jar like this that will do in the range of 100 to 125 kitchens out of this one little 1 pound jar. Okay, we have our variable speed polisher. We want to run between 5 and 800 RPM. We're going to use a steel wool pad. We have a maintenance crystallizer here that we use. We do not use water in this process. So we take the little bit of Potea powder, add a little bit of crystallizer to it. With our steel wool pad, now all we're going to do is buff it until it's dry. We do not add any more of the powder to it. And I will add the crystallizer 3 or 4 times. And again, you can see it doesn't take a lot of crystallizer. Okay, so you can see all I've done is buff the crystallizer with the steel wool until it's dry. I don't have any rinsing, I don't have any neutralizing to do. What I'll do now real quick is turn my steel wool pad over, run it dry just to get off any extra residue that I might have on the stone. Okay, so now we've added more color to it. You can see here, especially in the darker areas, and we've got better reflectivity to it. Okay? The next process, if the countertop needs to be sealed, that's when you use our Ultimate Pro, which is our fluorochemical-based solvent-based granite sealer. We put it on. We're going to keep it on here for 3 to 5 minutes. Now that it's been 5 minutes, I'm going to take my cloth. I'm going to wipe off the excess sealer that's on it. Okay. Now, not only does my countertop have more color, more reflectivity, I have now protected it from any kind of water or oil spill that might occur on my kitchen countertop. Okay. The final step in the process, we use the finishing touch. This is our polish for granite. It revitalizes the granite. What we do in here, we take a lamb's wool on our machine, and we're actually going to burnish this product into the stone. What this allows us to do is to promise our customer that they will not have fingerprint issues on the countertop that you just restored for a minimum of 2 to 3 weeks. And there is your brand new piece of granite.
So I can see here, Rob, just how much more shiny and vibrant and colorful that granite is compared to this untreated area over here on this side. And how long does it take for somebody to do, say, 50 square feet of, or per square foot?
With the exception of the masking off, depending on how much they have the mask off, the process that I showed, you'll be in and out within 20 minutes.
So not a very long process, does a great looking job, and there's the ongoing maintenance cleaners that you can see in another video that they can keep this looking nice for the life of their home.